As I reflect on my decision to no longer identify as a Christian, I can't help but wonder if I was naive or even foolish in my beliefs. It all started in 2023 when my husband and I made the choice to give our pastor a substantial sum of 10 million naira. We thought we were doing the right thing, believing that our acts of generosity would bring blessings and prosperity into our lives. At the time, we had some money saved up and we felt compelled to support the church in such a significant way. We were hopeful that our sacrificial giving would lead to a positive outcome for us. However, as time passed, things took a turn for the worse, and we found ourselves facing the real financial troubles. We couldn't even afford to pay our children's school fees, let alone cover our day-to-day expenses with three children to care for. Desperate for help, we turned to our pastor, hoping he could understand our predicament and offer assistance. We approached him with a request of at least 3 million naira to help us meet our immediate needs, but his response was not what we expected. Instead of extending a happy hand, he simply told us to pray and trust in God. Feeling abandoned and delusioned, we were left to fend for ourselves in a time of crisis. It was disheartening to witness our pastor living a lavish lifestyle, driving a 2024 Benz, and hosting extravagant parties while we struggle to make ends meet. The discrepancy between his action and his teachings left me feeling betrayed and questioning my faith in him and the church. To make matters worse, the pastor's wife began to ignore me. The isolation and rejection I experienced only deepens my sense of delusionment and confusion. As I grapple with the complexities of my situation, I find myself lost in a sea of doubt and uncertainty. The mystery of fate and betrayal swirl around me, leaving me wondering if I'll ever find the answers I seek. In the midst of it all, one thing remains clear. My faith has been shaken to its core, and I'm left to navigate this uncertain journey on my own.